The Quran has a lot. It's up to us to know. Many times we have our hearts that are not protected. The reason is we don't know which surahs to read. I told you two. Which ones did I say? Ayatul Kursi and Suratul Fatiha. Can I tell you a few more? The last two surahs of the Quran, and if you can, the last three. The Mu'awwidhat and Surat Al-Ikhlas. So, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Protection. You will be protected, I promise you. But you have to read it every morning and every evening. How long will it take you? 5 minutes. Not more than 5 minutes. You have to invest that 5 minutes to read those surahs. Otherwise, you will not be protected the way you need to be protected. And people say, well, you know, I'm at the time, some women might say, I'm at the time of the month where I can't read. Who said you can't read? This is dua, these are verses you read throughout the year. Come rain, come sunshine, you read them. There's no day of the year you can't read these verses. No day.